Integral. It's extendable block and it's pure mathematical function for integration. In case that I integrate on input cosinus, I get on output here sinus function. I try this block with sinus block, derivation and integration, and it's visible that in case that we send the sinus function into the derivation and back through integration, so the result is the green one. And we use this block especially for special heating calculations of capacity requests and so on in CAS ACDH library. That's cool, isn't it? Awesome.